Hey, my lovely viewers. Today, we will create a luxurious yet simple, minimalist, abstract painting in black with gold textured folds that looks stunning in a modern interior. I will warn you about possible mistakes and share the tips that helped me so you can easily recreate it yourself. Today, I am using a cotton pre-primed canvas, size 100 by 120 centimeters, about 40 by 47 inches. For this project, you will need a piece of cotton fabric. I'm using a plain bed sheet. To cut the right size, lay the fabric on the canvas, shape the folds, and leave about 10 centimeters, around 4 inches of extra fabric on each side to wrap around to the back. Prepare a basin, a deep container, or a plastic bucket. Since I had none of these, I cut a plastic bottle, but keep in mind my container was too small for this size of fabric. Choose something about twice as large. Mix PVA glue and gesso in a 1-to-1 ratio and stir thoroughly. You will need 400 milliliters of PVA glue and 400 milliliters of gesso. I didn't have enough, so I had to mist the fabric with water. Do not do this. Water dilutes the glue and gesso, reduces adhesion and stiffness, makes the folds harder to form, and the folds will spread. Immerse the fabric in the mixture so the fabric becomes fully saturated. Lay the saturated fabric evenly on the canvas so the extra fabric can be folded neatly to the back. Shape the folds. Use a silicone spatula, not sharp metal or uneven plastic, so the edges don't tear the fabric, and carefully remove unwanted folds and wrinkles. Let it dry and harden for at least 24 hours. I am applying matte black paint with a roller. You can choose any other color. If you prefer, apply it with a spray can or a soft synthetic brush. I am using a regular canvas, which I bought at an art store. If your store sells gallery wrap canvases, meaning the depth is at least 3.5 centimeters or 1.5 inches, it is better to choose that option. This painting does not need a frame, and on regular stretcher bars, it will not look as good as on a gallery wrap. Don't forget to paint the edges of the canvas and ideally the wrapped fabric on the back of the canvas for a more polished look. To paint the folds, I am using a small, flat, soft synthetic brush. I really love this velvety, suede-like effect. If you like this video, you will love my easy DIY tutorial for a black and gold textured painting made with beach sand. Follow the link. Mask the areas you don't want to cover with gold using plastic film. If you use spray paint, always work on a balcony or outdoors and wear a NIOSH approved half-face respirator with organic vapor cartridges and P95 or P100 filters, along with gloves. At first, I wanted the folds to keep some black to create shadows, so that's why I am holding the spray can close and parallel to the canvas, about 30 centimeters, around 12 inches, from the area I am spraying. But after the first coat, I decided to add more gold. After 2 to 3 hours, I applied a second coat the same way. You can also apply the gold with a brush if you don't want to bother with spray paint, but spray paints give a very bright, chrome-like metallic finish that looks amazing with matte black. Tell me in the comments what color you would choose for this piece. Happy painting!